Good morning. Hi, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great today. So, for today's video, I'm excited because I'm gonna be making, well, actually not me. Grandma's gonna be making her famous meat pie. Okay, so I'm so excited because she's gonna be showing us how to make her famous meat pie. So for the meat pie, as you can see, we already have our ingredients laid out. We have our flour, butter, sugar, more flours, baking powder, and our milk, vanilla extra, vegetable oil, eggs. This right here is carrots, potato, and also onion. And now, of course, I have my ground beef for my meat pie. I already went ahead, I washed and cut up the carrots, onion, and the potato. So in a minute, she's gonna show us how to use all of these ingredients. So I hope you stay tuned because you're going to learn something and you will enjoy it. So let's get ready to prepare. Does it matter the measurement? It doesn't matter? Okay. So it doesn't matter the measurement. You can use any measurement of your choice.
Because you don't want for it to all process for it to get all soft.
Yeah. Oh.
Now for you add the eggs.
Okay, so now she's gonna go ahead and put her eggs in there, and I'm gonna just be assisting her. I'm not the one doing the baking. How many eggs we using?
4.
So she's gonna be using 4 eggs. Guys, she's just gonna pour a little bit of sugar on there. So the sugar is by choice, right? Okay. And then she's gonna go ahead and put her milk in there, and then just go ahead and stir it up after the milk is added. Alright guys, so now she's done with it. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge, and then we'll get ready to prepare our ingredients. Our filling for the meat pie.
It has a spoon oil.
Okay, so you don't want it to be oily.
Oil.
Okay.
Drink oil to put it in pie.
Okay. Good. Okay. Guys, she put the meat and the onion. She's just gonna mix it together, and then she's gonna go ahead and put the carrots and also the potato. So she's gonna cover this up and let it steam for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Well, you know, begin the way the apple, they not stick together. You do this for consistency.
So guys, she's gonna go ahead and put flour. She's gonna go ahead and put flours in the filling because she says that is what? It makes
it'll come together for consistency.
There you go. You learn something new every day. So that's the flour that she just mixed with water, and she's just going to go ahead and just Yeah, it do. It make a big difference though. Oh wow.
Also, it keep it immersed.
Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, you can tell.
This is exactly how you want it to look.
There you go. Done? Okay guys, now we're done. We're gonna take that off the stove and then for it to cool off and then get ready to fix our dough. She's gonna go ahead and roll her dough. You want me to do it?
Don't show you the front, huh?
Let me go ahead and do it. Okay. Okay, like that? Okay. The feeling. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Like that?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
And I put the. Hey. And I put it in a baking. Okay. Yay! I did good. Sour fried bash, and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven 30 to about 40 minutes, and it will be ready. And all right, guys, our meat pie is ready, and we are about to bake it. All right, guys. Ooh, God, it is so good. I'm telling you, you should try it. This is so good. Thank you. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.